To enhance your gaming experience in EAFC 25, adjusting the graphics settings is essential. Follow these steps to optimize your visual performance. Step 1. Access graphics settings. Launch the game and navigate to the main menu. Look for the settings option, usually found in the options or configuration section. Click on it to enter the settings menu. Step 2. Select graphics options. Within the settings menu, find the graphics tab. This section contains all the visual settings you can adjust to improve performance and quality. Step 3. Adjust resolution. Set your display resolution according to your monitor's native resolution for the best visual clarity. Higher resolutions provide better detail but may affect performance, so find a balance that works for you. Step 4. Modify graphics quality. Choose the overall graphics quality setting. Options typically range from low to ultra. If your system struggles with performance, consider lowering this setting to achieve smoother gameplay. Step 5. Customize additional settings. Explore advanced settings such as texture quality, shadow quality, and anti-aliasing. Adjust these settings based on your hardware capabilities and personal preference to further enhance your gaming experience. By following these steps, you can effectively set up the graphics settings in EAFC 25 for optimal performance and visual quality. Enjoy your game.